Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Math Textbook Exercise 4.3, question number 7. The perpendicular PS on the base QR of a triangle PQR intersect QR at S such that QS equal 3SR. Prove that 2PQ square equal 2PR square plus QR square. Here, question number 7. Look at the figure. Triangle PQR, the perpendicular is PS. Now, in the figure, QS plus SR equal QR. QS plus SR equal QR. Then QR minus SR QS equal, given the condition is here the perpendicular QS equal to 3 SR is given. QS equal 3 SR. Therefore, also here one more condition is such that QS equal 3 or 3 SR, and I had to prove this one. Therefore, 4 SR equal QR. Because already QS equal, because QS plus SR equal to QR, therefore we have to substitute QS equal to 3 SR and one more SR equal, this is given as QR. Now also from that QR equal and QS equal, we know that QS equal 3 SR. From that we can get SR equal QS over 3, which is equal SR equal to QS by 3. Therefore, QS equal 3QR by 4. We have these options now. That means QS is expressed, we express 3QR over 4 from this. Now, in triangle PQS, PQ square equal to QS square plus PS square by Pythagoras. PQ square equal PS square plus QS square. Let it be 1. Like that, in triangle PSR, we can write PR square equal PS square plus SR square by Pythagoras. Both hypotheses expressed. Let it be. Now PR square equal PS square plus SR square. Now 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus 2 gives 1 is PQ square, 2 is minus PR square equal, here already PS square plus Q square, here PS square and PS square cut. So it gives SQS square Q square minus SR square. Let it be 3. Next, therefore, from 3 gives PQ square minus PR square equal, we have already QS is 3QR by 4. 3QR by 4 the square minus QR. PR also we have PR square is QR square minus 16. 1 by 4 PR square. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 PR square is 1 by 4 PR square. Uh, QR square. Now, therefore, which is equal 9 QR squared by 16 minus 1 by 16 QR square, which is equal 8 QR squared over 9 minus 1 is 16, which is equal half QR squared. Now, which is this side is PQ squared minus PR squared is equal here. By cross multiplying 2 PQ squared minus 2 PR squared equal QR squared. Therefore, 2 PQ squared from this 2 PQ squared equal QR squared plus 2 PR squared. 2 PR squared, hence proved. Now, next this question number 8. In adjacent figure here, ABC is a right triangle and right angle at B with and points D. An adjacent figure ABC is a right angled triangle with right angle at B and point D, E, C are trisected. Here that means here BD equal DE equal EC. Then prove that 8AE square equal 3AC square plus 5AD square. This question number 8. Let BD equal DE equal EC equal X because those are trisected. Then BE, then BE equal 2x, BE equal to x, and BC equal 3x. In right triangles, in right triangle, in right triangles like ABD, ABD, ABE, ABC, in triangles ABD, ABE, and ABC. Now, first here AD square by Pythagoras. Here AD square equal AB square plus BD square, AB square plus BD square. That means already AB square as it is, AB square plus BD is x square. Let it be 1. Then second triangle AE square equal, look at this AE square equal, AE square is hypotenuse, we can say AB square plus BE square. AB square plus BE square, which is equal AB square plus BE equal 2x 2x whole square, which is further AB square plus 4x square. Equation 2. Then AC square, here AC square equal AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square, then which is equal, further we can say AB square plus 3x whole square, which is further equal AB square plus 9x square. This 3. Now this 3. Now the given condition, that means LHS take it 8. Write all the things first. 8AE squared equal 3AC squared plus 5AD squared. Collecting one side, right? Then now 8AE square minus 3AC square minus 5AD square equal 8. AE square is from 2 AB square plus 4x square, 4x square minus 3 AC square is from 3AB square plus 9x square. Then minus 5 into 5 into AD square. Here what about AD square is AB square plus x square. AB square plus x square. Now collecting common terms, 8AB squared minus 3AB squared, that is 5AB squared minus 5AB squared is 0. we can write in terms of AB squared, 8AB squared minus 3AB squared, 8AB squared minus 3AB squared minus 5AB squared. After that, plus 8x squared minus 27, 27x squared minus 5x squared. 8 AE square, 8 not here, which gives 8AB squared, and here 32x. Which one is here? 8 into 4 is 32. Now look, 8AB squared minus 3AB squared minus 5AB squared is 0. Here 32 minus 27 is plus 5 minus 5 is 0. Therefore, which is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say from this condition 8A squared, 8 A squared minus 3 AC squared minus 5 AD squared equal to 0 we got. From that, 8 A squared equal 3 AC squared plus 5 AD squared, hence proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.